Hey doll, today I'm doing this pink and purple with silver glitter inspired makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. First, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyelids. You can definitely use a brush, but today I'm using my fingers to make an even canvas. Then, using the Alfano palette, I'm picking up the purple shade and mixing it with the Tarte Shape Tape to create a base color. Then I'm going into the purple glitter shade and placing that on top of the base shade. Next, I'm going into the shade Lucid Dreams from the Kristen Dominique's Celestial palette onto my crease line. Then I'm picking up Stargaze and putting that on the center of my lids. So how's your day going? What are you doing for Valentine's Day? And if you have any suggestions, please leave in the comments below. Then I'm adding a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner of my eyes. Going in with some liquid glitter and running that on my crease line. You can go slightly above your crease line so it would not disrupt when you open your eyes. Now moving on to my face. To contour my face, I'm using the n.y.x Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. I'm placing it on all the parts of my face that I want to create a little depth. On my forehead, the cheek, underneath the chin. Especially if you have a double chin, you want to conceal it a little bit, you know. That will definitely help. To conceal my face, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer in the shade 5. I'm placing this on all the parts of my face that I want to conceal. I'm placing it on my forehead, above my contour line, my nose, my mouth, and my cheek. Also on my under eyes to brighten the areas. You can use a sponge or a brush to blend it out. I find that I have more control when I use the sponge. And blend, blend. Using the Wonder Stick, I'm contouring my nose. Next, I'm applying foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 30 Hours in the shade Nude Beige. I'm blending it out with a blending brush. I'm applying the foundation gently, tapping on the parts that I have contoured because I don't want to disrupt the contour. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape and placing it under my under eyes because I felt that I needed to be a little bit brighter in that area. Set my concealer today. I'm using the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. I'm placing it on all the parts of my face that I have put the concealer. I'm leaving it to set for a little bit and then I'm going to dust it off with a fluffy brush. Next, to line my lips, I'm using the BestLand line and pencil in a nude shade. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline n.y.x Color Sensational in the shade Bright Pinky Red. It has a hydrating formula. I'm picking up the purple glitter shade and running it on my lower outer eyelids. Then I'm placing Lucid Dreams on the middle of my lower eyelids. Then I'm picking up Stargaze and work that into my corner. Then to curl my eyelashes, I'm using the Wet n.y.x lash curler. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline n.y.x Volume Express Mega Mascara in the shade Black. I noticed that the line wasn't defined on this eye, so I'm going in with some more liquid glitter to define the line. For my waterline, I'm going in with the Bonnie Choice Colored Eyeliner pencil in the shade White. It's waterproof and long lasting, and it comes in a set of 20 different colors. To line my eyes, I'm using a magnetic eyeliner that came with my magnetic eyelashes. If you're a beginner at putting on falsies, I find that the magnetic lashes are an easier way to go. For highlighter, I'm using the Le Mercier highlighter, putting it on all the parts of my face that I want a little sparkle. Blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. I'm putting it on my cheeks and the tip of my nose. I'm applying some mascara to my lower eyelashes. Finish off the look, I'm adding some highlighter to my brow bone. There you have it, dolls, the final look. I'm feeling so glam for the Valentine season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right here and click the notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. Thank you for hanging out with me. Remember, you're beautiful from head to toe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!